So, Assalamu alaikum everyone. It's been a great privilege to be at BGMI and work with you for this long time and learn a lot of new things. Thanks to our honorable ma'am and sir for everything that they have taught us. So now I'll jump into directly the portfolio. Here's my fashion designing portfolio, which is about evening gowns. So now these are the table of contents that my portfolio covers. Cover page, designer CV, client portfolio, theme board, mood board, design development, illustration, take pay, cost pay, and a series of mixed collections which contains the college, flat drawings, illustrations, and workbook. So now here's my CV. I am currently completing my honors at third year. I am in right now. So there are some other skills that I have that I've mentioned here and my social media accounts, but I won't waste my time into this because my portfolio should show about my work rather than myself. So I'll just directly jump into my portfolio. So now here's the brand which is called Life. It has been inspired from the word engraved in life. You see, fashion is something, or style is something that is engraved in our everyday life. So that is what that inspired this name Life. And my slogan is illuminate your style. Your style needs to be illuminated in your every aspect of life. Here's my customer portfolio. My customer is a woman aged from 35 years to 55 years of age, and she's a socio-economic class. These are basically, it's a vintage jewelry. That's what she likes. Vintage, royal vintage actually. So now this is my theme board, which is basically an inspiration from different colorful butterflies and inspired from nature. So here are my color board. That there are two main colors, two complementary colors, and two other colors that will contrast my overall theme. So now here's my evening attire. Here you can see there are given some details like lace designs, elegance, and vintage as rose, which is vintage and elegance in. Also it's showing the champagne glass as it's a party gown. This is the design development. 3 stages here: ideation, range, and there's a final sketch of my design development. And this is a collage of my flat sketch designs. Now this is a colored one, how it will be seen. So now let's jump into evening attire gowns. So this is my flat sketches, my gown designs. These are like colorful illustrations of my those flat sketches. This is the gown that I have made and I will be representing to you. I will talk about it a little bit later right now. So these are the illustrations of these gown dresses and which accessories will go with them. So this is my cost sheet, how much it has been costed, like which material has cost how much and what is my total cost, and everything is mentioned in my cost sheet. Now it's the specification sheet, like what are the specifications of my gown are here. I have also made collection, but before I jump into the mixed collection, let me discuss about this gown. This gown of mine, it's actually looking quite simple because in this modern age, all the dresses scream for attention. So simplicity is the more powerful way because it does not scream, but it whispers into silence and it will create power, because simplicity is now going to be more powerful and more attention grabbing. Because see, the dresses with complex designs, they are very good, but they are mostly common, and more sophisticated designs are coming day by day, but more the simplistic design, now it will grab more attention. So here are my mixed collection fashion designing portfolio. Here I have made 6 clothing. Those are basically for summer casual outwear. Here is my customer profile: young woman, early alternate, early modern, athletic style, light fabric, casual. As I said, see, it's a summer outwear. As I said, it's visible in my theme board. Now here's the color board that I have used. The same way, 2 main colors, 2 complementary colors, and 2 colors for complementing my overall theme. Here are my dresses. This is the mood board actually: nature, casual, nature, light fabric. So now the design development, how it has been done, just like previous one: ideation, range, and a final sketch. These are the 3 forms that it has passed through before it has been converted into a final dress. Now here's a flat sketch collage design. Now it's a colorful one. Now individually there are all the flat sketches of my each designs. Now the colorful ones. Now these are the illustrations of my casual summer outwears. So this is my cost sheet for another design that I have made, and this is the spec sheet. And this is the power board that I like sketching. So these are the pencil sketches that I have drawn, but it is not very good visible in the PowerPoint. These are all my hand sketches. And this is the workbook that I have been doing in this BGMI. So that's all. Thank you everybody.